If you're a tight ass like me and want a storage solution for your ute, I'm going to show you what I did so that way I didn't have to get a canopy or a hardtop for my ute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, that way other people can see it's a great video. Subscribe to my channel so that way you can see the other great videos that I produce. And hit that little bell notification, that way you get notified when I release new videos. Make sure you share this content with other people, that way they get value out of it as well. Sometimes you don't know what you don't know, so it's always handy to give this content out to other people so that way they can learn things. Let's get in to see what I've done for a solution for a storage unit. So what I've got here is a toolbox that I've picked up. It's roughly 1.4 meters long, 400 mil high, and about 400 mil deep. I didn't want to get a canopy because I usually put bigger things in my car, in my ute. I didn't want to get a hard top just because I just didn't want to get one. So I ended up going with this solution. So as you can see, I've mounted it towards the back of my tray. The reason for this is just easier to get into when I need to. The good thing about a storage box like this is you can store whatever you like in. I have young children, so it's easy to store a pram in, and I'm a tradesman, so I can keep my tools in here if I want. The way I mounted this, there's two plates I've put with the body anchoring system. I've bolted them with nylock nuts on the inside. I've done this for both sides, and I've got plates as well on the front. That way it won't move around, it's solid, and it's not going to go anywhere. The good thing about it is I can remove it whenever I like, and I can use the tub however I like. The box cost me about $120, so I feel this is a lot cheaper than, say, going with a canopy or a hard top. Yeah, it may not be able to store as much, but it does what I need it to. So this is my storage solution for my Ford Ranger. What kind of storage solutions have you come up with? Make sure you leave a comment of what storage you use for the back of your ute. It might help others. Also, what do you think of the way I've done it? Could I have done it better? Let me know. I might change the way I've done it. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you think this video is going to help other people. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my content that I produce in the future, and hit that little bell notification so that way you get a notification when I release it. Keep watching for the next video.